Whoa, Bitcoin just finally broke out of this major downtrend. Are we finally out of the woods? Find out in this video. What's up guys, this is Daimonic and welcome to the Red Moon Crypto Show. And look at all this green. Bitcoin just pumped 10%. Everybody's happy, but are we finally out of the woods? Are we off the moon? Let's find out right now. So let's start by showing this post that I posted on TradingView around June of 2020, after Bitcoin had 2021, after Bitcoin had that major 50%, 53% correction. And this is what I posted. I basically calculated that after this major 53% correction, that Bitcoin would have a crab market, would go sideways for around 108 days. Why? Kabbalistic numbers. I'll explain in another video. So I calculated that we will have a reaccumulation phase and then a final consolidation. I don't know, I can't talk right now. And then a breakout. And look at what happened. Exactly like I predicted, we had a sideways reaccumulation at around the 29 to about 40k, and then we had the final consolidation at around 40k, and now we're having the breakout. But are we gonna go straight to 60k, 70k, 80k, or are we gonna come back and retest around 40k and then flip that resistance into support and then give the confirmation that we are going to the moon? Let's find out right now. So let's start by pulling the Brave New Liquid, the BLX, the Brave New Coin Liquid Index, and let's find out. So one of the tools that I love to use is the GAN fan. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it, but allow me to show you. The GAN fan is a really good tool to calculate more or less if the market is overheated, or to just identify key trend lines in the market. So I'm gonna put the GAN fan in around September of 2020, where was the official beginning of the bull run. After September, we double the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from 10k all the way down to 50, 60k. And is that gonna repeat again now? That would be good, but let's find out. So let's start by just pulling out the GAN fan and identifying some key lines. So what can we see right now? What can we see in this chart? And this is the daily, guys, by the way. So we can see a couple of things that previously we were trading over here on the red. So the red basically means look to sell. Be very careful. Don't sell the house and buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin is at those levels, when it's really red. We touched on the top of this trend line right here, as you guys can see right here, and then we trended down and we found resistance at the top of the green line, and then we went all the way up, found resistance again, and then we ended up breaking down and coming all the way down to this blue line right here. And I believe that this was the best time to buy Bitcoin. I obviously thought Bitcoin would go a little lower, so I didn't go all in, and I regret it now, because from that point on, Bitcoin went 70%. Yeah, basically 70%, and that's amazing to go all the way 70%. I should have went all in, but we all miss opportunities, and that is what it is. So you guys can see right here in this chart that Bitcoin has found support around this blue line right here, which I totally believe that from this point on we might not go down to the levels that I was saying before. I was expecting a little bit of a correction. Let me show you the chart that I was talking about. I was expecting that Bitcoin, this is the daily as well, I was expecting that Bitcoin would find resistance at these levels and it would correct down to 32k, and then after that break and find the resistance. But apparently we just decided to just go straight up. And let me tell you what I'm expecting from a healthy Bitcoin market. A healthy Bitcoin market would do something along these lines, which is it would have a breakout and then consequently have a correction to flip this resistance over here into support. And then if he held support, then the market would have the confidence to basically go ape on this shit and go all in. And we go straight all the way up to 100K, to 150K, maybe 200K, maybe 300, 400K Bitcoin. We don't know. The sky is the limit. Obviously, a lot of crypto has been lost. A lot of Bitcoin has been lost. You know, there's a tremendous retail and institutional demand for cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, the safest of them all. So the sky is really the limit. Basically, guys, I just want to make a short video. We have to come down and retest the 40K level, 41K level, and that possibly be the last opportunity to get some cheap Bitcoin at 40K. And you know, I'm gonna put a lot of buy orders there because I have a lot of stable coins on the sidelines in blockchain waiting to jump into Bitcoin. So I'm gonna take full advantage of that situation. So that's my prediction right there, guys. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you want to, and always have fun and be safe out there. See you guys next time.